Hey, glam dolls. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's look is inspired by this gorgeous scarf and mask set that I received from, or that I purchased from one of my good friends. And I'm going to put her information in the description bar below. But it was inspired by this look. Right now, we're in a time where we're just masked up, and it's hard to, wear lipstick that you want to wear. And so I just focused on the eyes today, and I used some loose glitters that I'm about to start selling. So stay tuned for that. I also, the eyelashes I used are from my new eyelash line as well. So stay tuned for that, for your LAS Glamour lashes that will be on sale soon this month. So we focused on eyes. We did a nice glittery look. I love how this look turned out. I didn't know what I was going for. I just knew I wanted something really dramatic and just bam, bring these eyes out, okay, to match this beautiful scarf and mask set that I purchased. And I'm so super excited and very pleased with how this turned out. I love it. I know this is not an everyday look, but honey, we need to do a mask fashion show, okay? Let somebody do that and work out these eyes. So yes, this is the look that we did today. I hope you enjoy watching me create it. I'm super excited. I love how this turned out. Oh my goodness. We got just glitter for days, honey. Okay, so I will put in the description bar everything I use. I used one of my BH Cosmetics palette. I used some Juvia Place products. And then I didn't show you the whole face because you've seen it before, and that's not what we're focused on. It's all about the eyes. It's all about the eyes when you gotta wear these masks every day, honey. Okay? Alright, so if you want to see how I created this gorgeous look, honey pie, please stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Okay, glam dolls, let's get started with this look. So I've already applied foundation, and we always want a bright under eye. We want to definitely put in our concealer on and highlight the places that we want to be highlighted. I'm going to add a translucent powder under my eyes so that it can catch any fallout that might occur while we're applying our eyeshadow and glitter. So we're going to blend that product in. I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. I will put the name of it or the number of it in the description bar below, but we're just blending this all in, patting it in so that it blends really well. So we're finishing up blending in our concealer and making sure that everything looks as it should. Like I said, we are not going to focus on our face today. We'll do a little bit of something, add a little contour and contour powder, probably bronzer or whatever, but not too much, because wearing masks these days, you just really don't want to waste product, and putting all this product on your face and then putting a mask on top of it is just super frustrating and unnecessary. So we're putting the translucent powder. I use the Ciat London translucent powder, so we are applying that underneath our eyes so that it catches any fallout, and then also setting the concealer that we placed on our forehead, nose, and Cupid's bow. So now we're getting ready to get started. I'm showing you how I'm putting this powder. It's a foundation powder on my eyes because I wanted to create a gradient effect with the shadows that I'm going to put on. So I'm using this as my translucent color, and I'm just blending that in with my Sigma blending brush that I need to get another one of. I will definitely name all the products that I use in the description bar today for you. But we're blending that in, and I just want to make sure when you're blending, you want to make sure that you are making it even, you're placing enough product in. I just transitioned into one of my wonderful BH Cosmetics palettes. Is so pretty, you guys. It's Trendy in Tokyo, and I used the let me see if I can tell you the names of the colors that I used. I used Karaoke for the yellow tone. I used Fortune for the kind of teal color, and then I used Electric for the blue. So if you have the Trendy in Tokyo palette, those are the colors that I used for this look. So we're placing Karaoke in the inner corner of my lid, and we're just going to pack that in really nicely to get the color payoff that we want. This is some good eyeshadow. It didn't give me any trouble. I just wanted to, pack it in to make sure I got the color payoff that I was going for. So yeah, when I started this look, I was like, I'm not sure how I want to do it. I know what colors I want to use, but I didn't know how I wanted to use them. So we were just kind of, going with the flow and doing what we felt. So you want to use a small eyeshadow brush when you're applying shadow in your inner corners. It's just easier to apply the shadow with. So yeah, I'm getting into now the teal color, which is called Fortune. All of these shadows in this Trendy in Tokyo palette have names, and they're so bright, they're so pretty. You guys, you have to get this if you don't have this palette. It's really, really cute, and it's, oh my goodness, so colorful. The pigmentation, you can see, look, it's very pigmented. You see, I just had to take a step back and look at myself because I was loving that color. So yeah, we're putting the Fortune in the middle of our eye. We're going to make sure everything is blended in and blended together. So you'll see me, do that as I'm packing in the colors. You'll also see me blend the colors together to make sure that there's no harsh lines, that everything is transitioning the way that it should. Yeah, that's really nice, guys. You see the color payoff. So if you're looking at my bonnet, I'll be wearing different bonnets when I do my tutorials. This one came from Africa. My girlfriend was in Africa for a missions trip, and she brought back these gorgeous bonnets from Africa for me to use in my videos. I love them. Okay, so now we're going into Electric. Electric is the blue, of course, so we're going to place that on the outer corner of our eye. You see that transition color, how it's just helping everything come together, and you'll see me go back in and just really blend that out too as we go forward. So yeah, we're packing that Electric on the outer corner of our eye. It's really pretty. I love this. I'm using a different flat eyeshadow shader brush for this to help me really get in the corners the way that I want. So this is really nice. I'm loving how this is turning out. So now I am going into my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and I used the darkest brown in that palette to give me some more definition and depth for my outer corner of my eye. I want we're going for drama, okay? This is a dramatic look, so we don't need to hold back. So now I'm just packing in and making sure all the colors that they're blending in nicely. So this is where I went back in with my transition. I didn't even put any more product on my blender brush, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was blended nicely. So now we're going into the glitter, guys. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. So I have 3 different colors of glitter. And listen, this did not take all day. Like, this video is not going to be that long. This didn't take all day. I'm using my eyelash glue. That's what I normally use when I'm applying glitter to my lid. It's safe and it works. So I'm using my eyelash glue. Mine goes on with a brush applicator. So I'm just putting that on. And now we're going into our glitters. And we're going to place the yellow glitter on the yellow shadow, on top of the yellow shadow. And we're going to place the teal glitter on top of the teal shadow. And we're going to place, why can't I talk? We're going to place I'm too excited, the blue shadow on the blue glitter on top of the blue shadow. So yeah, you want to do this, like, you know, maybe some of you might be saying, like, why can't you just put the glitter on? Well, you have to put color on underneath the glitter because of the spaces where the glitter might not cover every space, and it saves product. You don't need to have, you know, so much glitter if you have color underneath. So we definitely always want to put color underneath. It just brings the eyeshadow out, the glitter out, makes it pop even more. And so definitely do that, guys, when you're placing glitter on your eyes. Put the eyeshadow color on first. Oh, I didn't show you this, but I did prime my eyes before I started any of my eyeshadow looks. I used the Fenty Beauty, and I'll put it in the description bar below. I used the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer for today. So yes, now see how easy this is? It's not taking a long time at all. Like, you're just patting this glitter on. I'm using you see the brush I'm using? It is a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. And it's really, it worked really well in helping me apply these glitters to my eye. So yes, I'm only gonna do this one eye for you. Once you see this, you don't have to watch me do the other eye. But oh my goodness, this is so cute, guys. See, I'm showing you my chocolates palette, and I'm going back into it to get some more of that dark chocolate, and placing that in the corner and then right above the crease to just give some more definition. I love doing that. I'm so happy with it. You see, I'm showing you guys, like, look at this. And wait till I clean everything up. Oh my goodness, it's going to be gorgeous. So I'm showing you really quickly that I am placing a gel liner on my lash line from Juvia's Place. I am a Juvia's Place girl. I have a lot of Juvia's Place things. My favorites, Juvia Place, BH Cosmetics, and Fenty. So I'm just showing you, I'm putting the gel liner. You want to use a gel liner. It's going to be easier when you place glitter on your eyes. And yes, we're just going to wing it out a little bit and clean up. Oh yes, of course we got to use our Fenty. Definitely put some mascara on your eyes, because we're going to pop on some huge lashes today that are in my lash collection that will be coming out soon. They're called BabyGirl. So we're going to pop those babies on after we finish putting on our mascara. And oh my goodness, look at this. Look. I love how this turned out, Glam Dolls. I hope you do too. This mask set is everything, and this glitter is popping. Oh my goodness. I hope you loved it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.